Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.